Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, hard disk drive, base enclosure, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Peel back the tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Place the webcam board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam board from the static-dissipative bag. Place the webcam board onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the webcam board to adhere it to the display enclosure. Connect the webcam cable into its connector and replace the tape that secures it to the webcam board. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.